Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to let you know how you can set up automatic payment for TD Bank credit card. So in order to set up an automatic payment, you have to first of all log in. So open up a browser, type in tdbank.com, and that's going to take you to the official page. Here, press the login button, select the type of account that you hold, and enter your credential and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, then from the home page, you just have to go ahead and select your credit card. As you select your credit card, you need to go to the payment center. And when you select your payment center, then you need to turn on AutoPay and follow the prompts such as select the credit card or the specific credit card which you want to set as an auto payment and enter the information and all of that, provide the details that has been asked, and you'll have successfully set up auto payment on Telebank. So by following this step, you'll have successfully set up automatic payment for your TD Bank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.